So we are looking at three different images that show different sets of lines, and we need to determine which images show perpendicular lines or line segments. And we can tell by looking at all of these images that they're all lines because there's arrows on either side. So let's start with image one. So image one, we can see these two lines meet, and we can tell by this little box that this forms a 90-degree angle. So image one is for sure showing us perpendicular lines. We can tell because we can see exactly where the right angles meet. And if we were to count up all the right angles that these two lines formed, there would be four. So not only does it form one right angle, it forms four possible right angles. But they meet and they form right angles, so that makes it perpendicular. Now, if we look at these lines in image two, we can see that they're definitely not parallel because they're different distances apart. So by drawing that, I'm showing you that they're closer here than they are here. So we know that they're not parallel, but there's nothing telling us that um, they meet at a 90-degree angle. In fact, this angle is quite wide and definitely larger. Well, this angle here is very small, very hardly open. So this kind of shows me more of an acute angle. So this would not show us perpendicular lines or line segments. Now, image three, it actually shows us three different lines: line R, line K, and line L. And we can see that the way that they meet, I'm seeing a right angle here, I'm seeing a right angle here, and potential for even more. If I were to count up all the possible right angles that could be formed by these three lines, it would be even more than formed by image one. So just by looking that they form a right angle, I can tell that image three must feature perpendicular lines as well. Keyword is buzz.